to the theme of the essay, see, एक लाइन में one line question है, what is the theme of studies? Studies brings us joy and enhances our thinking, speaking and writing ability and adds charm to our personality. Studies की विशेषता ये है कि ये हमें प्रसन्नता देती है, हमारी थिंकिंग, स्पीकिंग और राइटिंग स्किल्स बढ़ाती है और हमारी पर्सनालिटी का डेवलपमेंट करती है. When we talk of Bacon's style, you have to remember these things. Bacon uses parallelism, that is, he makes use of the parallel sentence structure. ये है तो ये होगा, ये है तभी ये होगा. By using pairs or series of related words, phrases and clauses. Parallel sentence structures जो कि words, related words use करके, phrases use करके and clauses use करके किए गए हैं. And he uses punctuations such as the colon, semicolon and comma. I think sentence structures ये होमवर्क दिया जाएगा कि pairs related words कहाँ हैं, phrases कौन से हैं and colon and semicolon, comma ये सब चीजें कैसे यूज की गई हैं. बेकन की विशेषता. This is a characteristic feature of Bacon's essays, that is, he uses Latin phrases and archaic phrases. बहुत सारा Latin है जो आपको immediately समझ नहीं आएगा, but still archaic phrase क्या है? That which was in use in the early centuries, but with time they have given way to modern phrases. अभी के आप SMS phrases देखिए जो भी कुछ ही साल पहले चलन में बिल्कुल नहीं थे, वो अब चलन में आ गए हैं. SMS chat आदि के phrases. इसी तरह Latin phrases और archaic phrases का यूज बेकन द्वारा किया गया है. You see, I might not be able to pronounce the Latin phrases very correctly, but here is a list of what they are and what they actually mean. तो जब आप वापस से इस ऐसे को पढ़ेंगे तो you will be more comfortable with these phrases. Cumini sectors. This is meaning skilled in analysis. Ebunt studia in mores, that is studies passed into an influence manners. Manners and personality development के बारे में जब बेकन कहते हैं तो he says this, he uses the Latin phrase to say that studies pass into and influence manners. Archaic phrases आप देखें, maketh th जहाँ लगा होगा that means makes. doth doth, does के लिए doth. Nay, that is no. Stoned रुकावट यानी hindrance. Nay, there is no stond or impediment in the wit, but may be wrought out by fit studies. Wrought किया जाए. Look at the figures of speech which Bacon uses. Simile. What is a simile? A stated comparison between two fundamentally dissimilar things which have certain qualities in common. Lithos, an understatement in which a positive statement is expressed by a negative and its opposite. Similes कहाँ है? Natural abilities are like natural plants that need pruning by study. Distilled books are like common distilled waters, flashy things. To spend too much time in studies is sloth. To use them too much for ornamentation is affectation. ये जो किवंदंतिया या चलन में आने वाले phrases हो गए हैं वो हैं. Finally, question and answers.